it's your girl Frankie, and this is another video from behind the scenes as life as a Chicago filmmaker. Today we're going to go over how I did my audition process and the location that I found. I ended up having to find a free location, and I'll show you how you can also do that. For my auditions, I posted and sent out on social media, put in different film groups, letting people know that I was looking for actors. I have a lot of people that responded, over 20, which was great. But originally I wanted to do the auditions from 1 to 5 at a location, but that location ended up getting booked really quickly and I wasn't able to use it. So I had to shift and find a location, but the location I found was free. So I ended up changing the hours and making it shorter and making it for people that could come and meet in person. We did from 1 to 3, and everyone else, they have until March 5th to submit their auditions. You can send video auditions, but you have until March 5th. If I don't have it, then I'm just going to move on to the people that I do have, because March 9th I'm going to be picking people for the roles, and I'm going to be sending out paperwork because I'm paying out of pocket for this, and I want people to get their stuff as soon as we're done. You can use these spaces. It has a TV in here, you have a table, you have plenty of chairs. These spaces are free and you can use them as a resource when you want to do your film stuff. I'm using this particular space for auditions. I'm just waiting for the rest of the people to come in. The only thing is you only have a maximum of like 2 hours unless you get approved for more hours. So if you need more than 2 hours, you may have to go to like their space. Just bring your whole camera here and you can have people audition. It's a nice red wall. There are 2 meeting rooms in here, but I'm using meeting room 1. And there are several little nooks that are upstairs that you can use for free, but for the meeting rooms you have to reserve them. Here are some of the people that made it out to the auditions. I was very happy. They did a good job. So it's probably going to be a little hard seeing who I'm going to pick the 5 people for this proof of concept. But there are still some video auditions that are coming through. But for the live in-person auditions, this went great. I was very happy with it. Okay, when you go to the Capital One Cafe, your local one, or you can just go to Capital One in general and search online, and it will take you down to the community room. That's what you need to click. We're waiting for the room to open. It's going to redirect you to the site that Capital One uses to make their appointments, and that's Liquid Space. So Liquid Space is something for like co-working spaces. So you'll be able to, I'm typing in Capital One, and because that's what the cafe I like to use, and I know for a fact that they're free. But once you type them in, you put in your location. As y'all know, I'm in Chicago. And once you get the location, just search for all the spaces. It shows you how much you can pay by the day or for a pass or hourly at some of these places. Some of these places are as low as $5 for a day, for an hour, something like that. But I'm trying to narrow this down a little bit, so I am going to put it down to the lowest amount because I want to show y'all how to do this. And then apply it. Alright, it's still going to show you the lowest amount of places, but it is going to show you, it's going to say free at one of these spots. So we're going to keep strolling until we find, oh, right there. There is one. That's not necessarily the one that I go to, but that's the one that's downtown, because Capital One has multiple locations. See, it's a co-working space for 6 people. You can go down and then you can book that space, and then once you click that, it'll take you to sign in, create an account. It's really easy, and once you do that, it'll connect you to a person that they can help make that happen. The space that I used was beautiful. It was at a Capital One cafe. Y'all need to support y'all local cafes, like for real, especially the ones that have like workspaces, because people go there. I know I do. When I don't have the space, that's like my go-to spot, using a cafe, because it's free and you just have to book if you need a conference room. And if you just want to go up there, you have to, it's on a first come first serve basis, and they don't really give you a time slot. But some Capital One cafes, I like them because they have nooks, and they have really comfortable nooks that you can be in to yourself doing your work. And it's nice to, I work from home a lot, and when I'm not home, I'm at my aunt's house because I'm also a caregiver. But I want to bounce someplace else for other than her house to my house. And it's nice to go into a cafe to do some work and to get stuff accomplished. So, yes. I wanted to give y'all also an exclusive update of what I decided. So, excuse me. So, as I said, this whole process that I'm doing, I'm creating this series, and I want to put it on a platform. I decided, because I recently got monetized on YouTube. Yay! And with being monetized on YouTube, I have different perks, different benefits. And one of those benefits are having memberships. So since I have films and stuff, but it's not a lot for a streaming service right now, I am going to make memberships on my page. My next video, well, with the video when I officially launch it, I will let everyone know. Most likely I won't launch it until the series is finished being filmed, because the first 2 episodes will be on my page for free, but the rest of the episodes will be member based, where you can see the entire season. Because hopefully you like my project and you'll want to support, and it'll help me do another season and hire more people and hire more creatives and create jobs. So everyone that supports my channel, I truly appreciate it. I set up supers. I'll be doing some live streams, some live chats, and some premieres with some of my videos. I'm just happy, looking forward, moving forward with this whole process. And it's been a journey, but I made it happen, and anybody can make it happen when you keep going towards your dream. Thank you. I just want to share that with y'all.